So you're going to start by disassembling and wiping out the cube. Then you're going to want to move all the pieces aside and disassemble the core. Then you take Cubicle weight 5, take screw, spring, sometimes washer, the centerpiece, and then you put lube in this area, like down here. And then on the screw and the spring, I put it up like this, and then put lube underneath there on the screw. Then screw it back into the core. This works on most cubes, but if you look down here, you can see the screw and the little ridges. I like to put them all to where they're at the exact same point, so you have mostly even tensions. Then you continue to do the rest of them, like the first one. So now that you've finished lubing the core, you can start to reassemble it. Now here, it's really loose, so I'm going to tighten it a bit. Now you're going to take out 2 edge pieces. Put gravitas on the tracks. I like to use a lot, about this amount. And then you put it on the tracks here. You're gonna want to use a lot and put a lot on there. And now you put it back in. Then break it in and do a couple solves. So once you've done about 5 solves, you want to put weight 5. Like open the cube up like that. Then just put it on a corner piece and an edge piece here. And then just break that in for that another 5 solves. So now it's probably gonna end up being really slow. So you're gonna want to put some Mystic in it. Probably around 2 drops should be good. So like open it up again. And I like to do one on the corner. Kind of like that. So now all you have to do is to break it in, and you should be good. So that should be it. So, yeah.